Good morning viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I will explain a poem for you of Standard 7 from NCERT English Reader Book Honeycomb. The title of the poem is The Shade. The speaker is the poet himself. The poet Frank Flynn has mentioned about his curiosity as well as fear as a child related to the shade that has not been used for so many days. Children's shade means a small room that is used for keeping or storing various kinds of things such as keeping tools, vehicles, wood, and so on. Now, let us begin the poem line by line. There is a shed at the bottom of our garden. Through this line, the poet says that he has a garden and at the bottom of his garden a shed was situated with a spider's web hanging across the door. Children, spider's web means a web made by the spider to live in. The poet says that there is hanging a spider's web across the door of his shed. Why has the spider made the web there? Because nobody has been using and cleaning the shed and its door. In real life also, we observe that if we don't clean the doors or windows of our houses, then the spider get the ample time to make the spider web on the door or across the door. Okay, children. Now the third line, the hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. Children, hinges means a piece of metal that joins the door or the window, and by the dint of it, the door or window moves. Children, creak means a long low sound. A long low sound is produced when the door moves. The poet says that hinges are connected the door are rusty. Why the hinges are rusty, children? Because the shed has not been used for many days, so nobody oiled the hinges. The poet says that when it blows the wind, then creaking sound of the hinges is heard. When I am in bed, I lie and listen. The poet says that he listens the creaking sound of the hinges from the bed when he lies. I will open that door one day. Seeing the shed, the poet is extremely curious and he is determined to open the door of the shed one day. Actually, he wants to find out what is there inside the shed. Now, next line. There is a dusty old window around at the side. The poet describes the window by saying it is dusty. Why is it dusty, children? Because no one has cleaned it for long time. Okay. Then next line, with 3 cracked panes of glass. The poet also says that the condition of the window is also very bad because its 3 panes of glass are cracked. And children, do you know why the window and its panes of the glass are in bad condition? Because nobody goes to that shed, so neither the window was cleaned nor its panes of glass were replaced with the new ones. I often think there is someone staring at me each time that I pass. The poet says in these lines that whenever he passes nearby the shed, he feels that someone keeps on looking at him from that window. I will peep through that window one day. The poet, seeing the shed, he is very curious and makes up his mind to look secretly. My brother says there is a ghost in the shed who hides under the rotten floorboards. Here the poet says that his brother informs him that inside the shed there is a ghost who keeps on hiding under the rotten floorboards. and if I ever dare to set foot inside, he will jump out and chops off my head. But I will take a peek one day. The poet also says that his brother warns him if he dares to keep his foot inside, then the ghost will jump out from the rotten floorboards and cut the poet's head off. However, in spite of his brother's warning, the poet wants to look secretly inside the shed one day. Children, here chop means cut off. My brother tells lie to keep the shed for his den. The poet is very much sure that his brother tells a lie because he himself wants to use the shed for hiding or for his own purpose. He doesn't want the poet to use the shed, that is why he terrifies the poet. There isn't anyone stirring or making noise, and the spider has been gone from this web since I don't know when. The poet Frank Flynn says confidently that no one stares at him through the cracked window panes of the shed. He is also very much sure that no one makes a noise there. The poet also says that the spider has left the web and had gone somewhere else. He is very much sure about those things. However, he is not sure about the timing when the spider has gone away from there. I will go into that shed one day soon, but not just yet. The poet Frank Flynn is both anxious and frightened. The poet says that one day he will go inside the shed. This shows his curiosity, but on the other hand, he doesn't say when he will go there. He doesn't tell the exact time of his going there because he is also very much scared of entering the shed. Thank you children for watching my video. If you like my video, do share it among your friends, like, comment and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.